In front of me is Vivo X200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings and go into Apps section here. Then scroll all the way down to click on Default Apps and access Home app. Over here you will find Launcher Pro. Click on it, hit Allow All, and wait. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Android. Now if you want to make some changes to your layout, just go into Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, go back to Default Home app section and hit System Home screen. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!